Lemon pepper seasoning is so versatile. I mean, you can put it on your popcorn, sprinkle it on your salad, use it to make dips, put it on your seafood and your fish. But that lemon pepper seasoning that you buy at the grocery store can contain soybean oil, yellow dye number 5, a known carcinogen. It can have sugar, calcium sulfate, which is like limestone. Just a lot of things that, honestly, I don't think you need. Now, for your homemade lemon pepper seasoning, you want to zest 6 lemons. Put your oven on about 200 degrees. Now, spread this on a cookie sheet. Pop it into your oven. Keep an eye on it. This is going to take between 30 minutes and an hour, depending on your oven temperature and how much moisture is in your zest. So while I'm waiting on my zest, I'm going to get the rest of my ingredients together. Normally, lemon pepper is all black pepper, but I really like my mixed pepper blend here. I just like all those different flavors that it brings. So for 6 lemons, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of peppercorns. And then we're going to grind those up. So now that you have your pepper ground and ready, you can add that dehydrated lemon zest and give this a roll, and you have lemon pepper. Just plain lemon pepper. We're taking this a step up, and we're making lemon pepper seasoning. So from here on out, everything else is optional. A half a tablespoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of celery seeds, a half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric. Because why use yellow dye number 5 when there's turmeric in the world? And turmeric is really good for you. And another optional thing is some whole coriander seeds. Now I do just a little under a quarter of a teaspoon. Not too many coriander seeds. They really can take over. And we're just going to give that a couple little. So now we have our beautiful dehydrated lemon peel. We're going to add that to our spice grinder here and give that a whirl or two. Now just look at how beautiful that is. It's bold, it's vibrant, it is delicious. And if you ever make your own, I promise you're never going to buy that store-bought again. And just like all of our other herbs and spices, we're storing these in a cool, dark place because light and air, it's the enemy. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you later.